Hello, and welcome to our new video.
This week we are working again in stage versus social dancing. We are going to talk about the sentada.
Yeah, the sit. Sentada means when you sit. So we have a figure called la sentada.
Yes, and you will see that is very big when you do it in stage or exhibition or tango fantasia compared to the one in social dancing, which is much smaller.
So we can allow everybody to keep dancing on the same room. So we have to be careful about that. It's not the same stage than social dancing. So we are going to show them that.
Yep, but before that, make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel and activate the bell for notification. That will be much appreciated. And let's do this.
Okay, everybody, let's show you the sentada on social dancing. We are going to do a boleo. Going to the seat, sentada. This is a position. Unwind and going to resolution.
So what are we doing here? Very simple. We are taking a low boleo, correct? We're going to walk through this low regular boleo. This is not a contra boleo yet. One. Going to the side, accompany her ocho for the leader, and we are going to rotate. Now from here we are going to create like a little tiny sacada to send her into a sentada position. Tac. Make sure this arm does not push her away. You want to rotate. Yes, open the left shoulder, and from here open your right shoulder blade to bring her around you and continue to the line of dance. Close embrace if you need it to open, and from here we can resolve.
Let's do it again, and let me show a little tip for the followers to make it more beautiful. Side step, we do the low boleo, angle your hips to go front around him, side and back step. After I collect, I feel the lead to go to sentada. Look the hips angle. I will rotate a little extra without the lead. So my decision is to make the hips going outside to create these lines for the sentada, so I'm not facing him. And then when he leads, I'm going to unwind. So that creates a nice embellishment, nice line to exit the sentada. Opening, side, re-embrace, and resolution.
All right, now it is the turn to see the difference between the one we just did with the stage version. Before that, if you want to see different kind of sentadas and a little more kind of choreographic sequences, we are going to have a course in online tango training very soon, towards the end of this month. So
online tango training is our tango school that you can see it on our website, Miriam Larici Leonardo Barrionuevo.com.
Yes, so now we are going to do the version for stage. Yes, so exhibition. One, contraboleo, going into the sentada, lowering, and putting feet together. So at this moment we are doing a small version of the sentada, even though it's for exhibition. The exhibition means that we are lifting the feet off the ground and doing a little lift, of course, and but there can be many ways to do this sentada. Open legs, closing legs with kicks, different things, different positions for the legs, for the leaders. But in this case, we are doing the simple one. So
yeah, different effects on the sentada and mostly exiting the sentada.
Yep.
And just to clarify, this is not to do it at the milonga, okay? This is only for stage or when you are alone on the middle of the floor doing an exhibition or a show.
Yeah.
Just to be sure that you're not doing this on social dancing, please.
And if you do it, don't mention that you learned that on this channel. So let's do this. Side step one, we're going to do a contraboleo and getting ready to lift her. Yes, we are going to do this in once. The main thing is that we lower our position so we can position our body under her hip. And here we go. One, two, and from here we need to exit. Up with the hip, landing together in the same position, and recover the embrace.
For the followers, we do the side step and the voleo, counter voleo. And then be sure to angle the hips out. For any step you do, especially if you know this is a stage or exhibition, we are not facing with the hips to the leader. So be there. When he lowers the position, we don't lower. This is very important. Just keep it on the same level. And then we feel the connection and the lead to go straight to the side from here. And sit opening the right shoulder. So we never face him with the shoulder.
When we are doing here, make sure leaders you don't close.
Yeah, the angle is there. So audience are in front. You have to show the chest to the audience. When he unwinds the position, lift the knee and then touch the floor in straight position. Don't lower much. Then he will fit together. So we ended here in embrace, close embrace, and we can go to the next figure.
Alright, now we're going to show you both cases dancing at the regular speed. Yep. So let's initiate first with the simple one. We create a sentada and we exit, and if we want to do the other one, contra voleo, lifting and position to exit into any other step.
Okay, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed, and be sure don't confuse, don't do the stage version at the milonga, okay? Just keep their own style wherever you are.
And remember, if you like what you are seeing in this channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell for notification. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.